Hi everybody, my name is Martin Hill. Well, big news today for me this, on the financial scene. Wonga, the payday lender that mainly gives out small loans to people, anything from £100 to £1,000, and people pay them back over a shorter amount of time than regular loans. But the interest rate is obviously very high. But today Wonga wrote off £220 million for 330,000 customers because of new rules that came in a few months ago. And those 330 customers, if the new rules had applied to them at the time they got their loan, they wouldn't have got their loan. So they've written £220 million off for those customers that wouldn't have got their loan under the new rules. And it just got me thinking, when you look at mortgages, credit cards, loans, all that money that was given away by the banks and organisations from sort of, let's say, 1999, 2000, up to 2007-8, before the crash. All that money that was given away, just literally, you didn't have to be checked. They were giving credit cards, throwing them at you. You were getting letters through the door saying, please take a loan. They weren't even interested in what you were earning. You know, I know people that went and got credit cards who were unemployed, in debt, already 15, 20,000 in debt, and they put it through the system and it said, yes, accepted, you can have a credit card. And maybe there was £5,000 potential credit on there. I mean, this was a crazy situation. You got, as I say, you got letters through the door, really bombarding you every month. Please take a loan. Please take a loan. You filled the form in, and 99% of the time you got the loan. The banks, the building societies, they couldn't wait to give you the money. Personally, I haven't got a mortgage. I don't know how it used to work, but people used to tell me they used to get a financial advisor, fill the forms in, lie, just say they earned whatever. If they earned 20,000, they'd put 52,000 down. The financial advisor sent it off to the bank. The banks couldn't wait to give the mortgage. They were obviously on commission and they were told to accept whatever they want. And they got their mortgage on basic lies. It was just a free-for-all. I can't remember a time in my life, only once, the first loan I ever got, I think it was the 5,000, I went to get the loan. I asked for a loan. The rest of the loans, credit cards, I was bombarded for months saying, please take a loan, please take a credit card. And in the end I did. I remember being 30,000 in debt and they wanted to give me another credit card. They couldn't wait. I was getting letters every day. Every time I went into this establishment, there was somebody waiting with a clipboard saying, are you interested in another credit card? I said 3 times no, but in the end they got me. And I said, yeah, okay. The loans are the same, only the first loan. The next 3 loans I got, I remember once I was earning 21,000 and I was given a 25,000 loan. I mean, how the hell was I given a 25? I'm not blaming the people for giving me. I mean, I take some of the blame. I went to get the loan, I went to get the credit cards, but surely there should have been policies in place. And there obviously wasn't any policies in place or any rules in place because everybody was given everything. And I know, you know, with the mortgages, it was just a free-for-all, just literally a free-for-all. And I do know now it's a lot more stringent with the mortgages. You have to prove 3 years' wages. You have to have all the paperwork. Self-employed is very tricky to get one now. But I'm sure there's ways around it still that are being developed, or else the thing would have come to a standstill. And I know now it's a lot harder to get a loan, and credit cards, you just don't get the letters through the door anymore. It's amazing. But my point is this. If 2000 to 2007-8, people were just given money regardlessly, are there any new rules that have come in since then on loans, credit cards, mortgages, that now make it a lot tighter for people getting money? I know it is tighter, but I want to know if there's any rules, like Wonga has had rules and had to change and give money back. Because if there is actually any new rules that have been put in place, surely the people that were given and took out these loans, credit cards, mortgages, should now be getting their money back, just like Wonga is giving people their money back. It's an interesting one. Tell me what you think. Speak to you soon, and I'll say bye for now.